This slide serves as the title slide for our presentation on flooring. It includes the presenter's name and affiliation. This slide introduces the purpose and requirements of flooring. A floor provides a level surface to support occupants, furniture, and equipment. Key requirements include adequate strength, fire resistance, sound insulation, damp resistance, and thermal insulation. This slide outlines the components of flooring. The main components are the subfloor, or base course, and the floor covering. The subfloor provides structural support and may offer damp resistance and thermal insulation. The floor covering is the visible, finished surface. This slide lists common materials used for flooring, including cement concrete, lime concrete, stones, bricks, wooden blocks, vinyl, tiles, marble, and granite. This slide discusses factors in selecting flooring material. Initial cost should align with the building type and use. Appearance should be pleasing and contribute to the desired aesthetic. Cleanliness is important. The flooring should be easy to clean and non-absorbent. Durability ensures resistance to wear and tear, temperature changes, and decay. This slide continues the discussion of selecting flooring material. Damp resistance is crucial for a healthy environment. Sound insulation minimizes noise. Thermal insulation contributes to comfort. Smoothness is desired, but the surface shouldn't be slippery. This slide completes the selection criteria for flooring material. Fire resistance is especially important for upper floors to create fire barriers. Hardness is needed to resist indentation and imprints from furniture. Maintenance should be minimal to reduce long-term costs. This slide describes mud flooring. It's a cheap, hard, and fairly impervious option that's easy to construct and maintain. It offers good thermal insulation. Construction involves compacting a 25 cm layer of moist earth to 15 cm, often mixed with chopped straw to prevent cracks. Sometimes cow dung is added for a thin surface layer. This slide lists the advantages and disadvantages of mud flooring. Advantages include low cost, hardness, impermeability, ease of construction and maintenance, and good thermal properties. The main disadvantage is that it's best suited for small towns and villages. This slide details the materials and construction process for mud flooring. Materials include sifted sand, clay, cow manure, and chopped straw. Construction involves wetting the base floor, spreading the mix, ramming it to a 150 mm thickness, flattening the surface with a trowel, and occasionally adding a cement cow dung coat for maintenance. This slide introduces brick flooring. It's a cost-effective option, especially where bricks are readily available. It's well suited for warehouses and stores. Construction involves laying a 10 to 15 cm layer of lean cement or lime concrete as a base, followed by bricks laid flat on a mortar bed. This slide describes flagstone flooring. Flagstone is sandstone available in slabs of varying sizes and thicknesses. A 10 to 15 cm lime or lean cement concrete base is laid. Flagstones are then set on a 20 to 25 mm bed of mortar, starting from opposite corners to ensure even placement. This slide discusses cement concrete flooring. It's commonly used in residential, commercial, and industrial buildings due to its moderate cost, durability, and ease of construction. It consists of a base concrete and a topping. It can be constructed monolithically or non-monolithically. Non-monolithic construction is preferred in most cases. This slide continues the description of cement concrete flooring. The topping typically consists of 1 to 2 to 4 cement concrete, laid in a desired thickness, usually 4 cm, in one single operation. Alternate layers are laid after 72 hours to minimize cracking. The surface is protected and cured for 7 to 14 days. This slide introduces terrazzo flooring. It's a decorative option with good wearing properties, making it suitable for residential buildings, hospitals, offices, and schools. Terrazzo is a special concrete surface containing cement and marble chips. The subbase preparation is similar to cement concrete flooring. This slide details the composition of terrazzo flooring. The top layer may consist of a 34 mm cement concrete layer and a 6 mm terrazzo topping. Concrete is laid in alternate panels and finished to a rough surface. The terrazzo mix is then laid and finished, with additional marble chips added during the process. This slide describes the finishing process for terrazzo flooring. The surface is floated, troweled, and left to dry. The first grinding is done with coarse carborundum stones and water. The surface is then scrubbed and cleaned. A cement grout is applied and cured, followed by a second grinding with finer stones. This slide outlines the final steps in terrazzo flooring installation. The surface is cured and then ground with fine carborundum stones. After scrubbing and cleaning, wax polish is applied to achieve a glossy finish. This slide describes mosaic flooring. It's made of small pieces of broken tiles, china, glazed, cement, or marble, arranged in patterns. A concrete base is prepared, followed by a 5 to 8 cm limestone mortar layer. A thin cementing material is spread and left to dry. This slide continues the description of mosaic flooring. Small pieces of broken tiles are arranged and hammered into the cementing layer. The surface is rolled with a stone roller, sprinkling water to bring the cementing materials through the joints for an even surface. The floor dries for 2 weeks before use. This slide describes tiled flooring. It's constructed from square, hexagonal, or other shapes made of clay, cement concrete, or terrazzo. It's commonly used in residential, office, hospital, and school buildings. A 25 to 30 mm layer of lime mortar is spread as a bedding. The tiles are laid flat onto cement slurry, pressing them into the mortar until level. This slide describes marble flooring. It's a superior option used in bathrooms, kitchens, hospitals, and temples where cleanliness is essential. The base concrete is prepared as in concrete flooring. A 20 mm bedding mortar is spread under each slab. The marble slab is laid, pressed, and leveled. The paved area is cured for about a week. This slide describes wooden flooring. It's used for carpentry halls, dancing halls, and auditoriums. It's not common in Indian residential buildings due to its cost. In hilly areas with readily available timber, it's more common. Damp prevention is a major concern, which can be addressed with a DPC layer. This slide introduces asphalt flooring. Asphalt mastic flooring consists of a mixture of sand and asphalt laid in a continuous sheet. It can be applied hot or cold, with mineral oil and asbestos. The thickness is typically 2.5 cm over a cement concrete base. This slide describes asphaltic tiles. They're made from asphalt, asbestos fibers, and mineral pigments, pressed into different sizes with varying thicknesses. They're cheap, resilient, soundproof, non-absorbent, and moisture-proof. This slide describes asphaltic mosaic. It's similar to mastic asphalt but uses marble chips instead of sand. It can be black or other colors and is laid hot. Acid-proof mastic flooring uses asphalt blocks laid on a concrete base, with acid-proof asphalt spread over them and sand sprinkled on top. This slide describes rubber flooring. It consists of rubber sheets or tiles with varying patterns and colors. They're fixed to concrete or wood with adhesives. Rubber flooring is resilient and soundproof but costly. It's typically used in offices and public buildings. This slide describes linoleum flooring. It's a covering available in rolls, spread directly on concrete or wooden flooring. It's available in sheets or tiles, in various thicknesses and widths. It's attractive, resilient, durable, cheap, and easy to clean. However, it's prone to rotting when wet, so it's unsuitable for bathrooms and kitchens. This slide describes cork flooring. It's noiseless and used in libraries, theaters, and broadcasting stations. Cork is from the outer bark of the cork oak tree, available as carpet and tiles. It's fixed to a concrete base with a layer of saturated felt. It comes in various sizes, thicknesses, and shades. This slide describes glass flooring. It's a special-purpose flooring used to transmit light from upper floors to lower floors. Structural glass is available as tiles in varying thicknesses. It's costly and not commonly used. This slide describes plastic or PVC flooring. It's made of polyvinyl chloride, PVC, fabricated as tiles of different sizes and colors. These tiles are now widely used in residential and non-residential buildings. The tiles are laid on a concrete base and pressed with a roller after the adhesive sets. This slide continues the description of plastic or PVC flooring. The floor is washed with warm soapy water before use. It's resilient, smooth, good-looking, and easy to clean. However, it's costly, slippery, and easily damaged by burning objects.